In this video, you'll learn how to send USDT from OKX to OKX. This process involves a series of simple steps that will guide you through the withdrawal of your cryptocurrency to another OKX account. Begin by navigating to the OKX website. Open your preferred web browser and enter .okx.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the OKX platform. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Next, locate the Assets option on the main menu. This is typically found at the top of the page. Clicking on Assets will direct you to a page that displays your current balances and available cryptocurrencies. Take a moment to verify that you have USDT available for withdrawal before proceeding. After that, click on the Withdraw button. This option is usually positioned prominently within the Assets section. Upon clicking, you will be taken to the withdrawal interface where you can initiate the transfer of funds. It is important to check your available balance again to ensure you are sending the correct amount. Once the withdrawal page appears, select USDT from your list of cryptocurrencies. This is an essential step as it ensures you are transferring the correct asset. After selecting USDT, the interface will prompt you to enter the recipient information. In the recipient section, choose the option for OKX recipients. You will then need to enter the full phone number associated with the recipient's OKX account. After entering this information, specify the amount of USDT you wish to send. Make sure to double check both the recipient's number and the amount, as errors can lead to delays or misdirected funds. Next, click on the Set Withdrawal Amount button. This action will confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. It is advisable to consider any potential fees that may apply to your transaction, as this could affect the total amount received by the recipient. Once you've reviewed everything, proceed by clicking the Submit button to finalize the transaction. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been successfully processed. Depending on network conditions, the transfer may take some time to complete, so be patient. If you notice any discrepancies or issues, revisit the withdrawals section for updates on your transaction status.